Hello, traders, and welcome to the market update for the week ending the 1st of April 2022. I'm JG, member of the Vedanta Elite trading team here at Master the Markets, and looking forward to taking you through the market watch and updates for this week. Euro USD, as you can see, going in a uptrend as it stands, because we've got a swing low confirmed here already, and the next one is a higher swing. So therefore, it's an uptrend. We've taken some trade opportunities on this week, and we're looking forward to some more. Smart money indicators already got a confirmation bar sign for us there. However, the market has turned. So let's see how this works out, and we'll take the opportunity as they arise on there. Dollar Swiss again, a little bit of consolidation, good support and resistance lines available here. As you can see, it's spiked through the previous highs there, and now it's trending to a downside on the current phase. However, there is still potential for it to go down, but at the moment, as you can see, we've possibly got a primary bar pattern forming there, so it could be a turning point here. Something we'll keep in the lookout and probably place pending orders on the dollar Swiss. The pound dollar, as you can see there, we've come back down in a downtrend at the moment, and possibly more opportunity for the trade to move to a downside here, and not very strong moves at the moment, but further down is where we are looking at probably taking opportunities for the pound dollar.
If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that like icon. If you haven't joined our channel yet, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications immediately when we post up quality content like this, and especially to get our live trading updates sent directly to your phone.
Dollar yen has had a good steady move in the previous phase, going to the upside, and now we've hit a point where we've got a swing high confirmed and the market has turned, but it's not a very strong turn, because you can see the current bar at the moment is, it's a bullish bar and looking at possibly going back up, but it's possible that open equity in this is extinguished, and we might see a further move to the downside going on from here. Aussie dollar, strong moves to the upside, and we have taken opportunities on here. As you can see on my charts, you've got the green line representing the entry point. The red line is where we would have placed a stop loss, and the blue lines would represent where we would have exited. And as you can see here, we entered on the close of the confirmation bar here on the cash-in strategy, place our stop loss at the low, and it's moved to the upside. We've trailed our stop loss to a point where it's got to a point and then tripped us out. So this is a trade for this week where we've closed out this week and taken a profit on this, on the Aussie dollar, and possibly other strategies as well. We would have taken this opportunity on as a lucrative deal for us. Coffee still moving slightly sideways. Strong move to the upside, as you can see from there. 3 trending bars is something that we look for in our strategies as well, to say if we've got 3 trending bars, that is showing strong support for the direction that it's moving in. And as you can see at the moment, it's moving to the upside. It's already hit past our previous swing high at this point there. Is there more move available? Let's see. Okay, and that's on the coffee. Brent USD, the oil. There was a good steady move to the upside there, and obviously, the current world conditions that are with us at the moment and everybody is facing, the oil has fluctuated drastically, and there you are. You see the results there.
For those of you who are unsure of any of the terminology or the concepts in this video, watch our free Trader Starter Pack 5-day video course as shown in Empire Cinema. It is educational, entertaining, and covers basics and advanced content with cross-transferable principles for trading and investments. It pertains to both beginners and intermediate traders, all dedicated towards helping you achieve consistent performance. Go ahead and register for it on the link below.
However, we still taking trades on the oil, and here also you would have seen that we would have taken a trade there, entering on the green bar there and taking it to the upside. This would have been a lift off trade on here, and also on other instruments as well. We would have taken this trade on other strategies as well. But as you can see, it moved to the upside. We take the trade and followed our stop loss until it got to a certain point, and there you are. On the blue line is where the market turned against us, and we got stopped out there. However, we did capitalize on the profits that were available. So that's on the Brent USD. We're looking for further opportunities to the downside as they appear. US 30, which is the Dow Jones. As you can see, Dow Jones moved to the upside, showing sign of weakness, 3 trending bars going to the downside. So it's possible that it's hit the peak. So that's the open equities extinguished on the Dow Jones. And now we'll be looking at opportunities to the downside and taking the trades as they form on the Dow Jones to the downside. And the FTSE, as you can take a big dip there, but it's recovered back to its current normal phase, where the blue line is at the moment is the current price, and you can see that it's more or less come back to where it was trending before a few weeks back, a few months ago. Okay. Still possible a little bit of movement to the upside on there to see if it can reach this previous swing high, but something that we'll have to keep an eye on to see and let it settle before we take opportunities on there. Euro JPY, similar trade where it's dipped and then gone back to the upside. Open equity extinguished, so we're looking at opportunities to the downside on there. Let's see if they materialize or if it still has a little bit more left in it to the upside on the Euro JPY. Gold, obviously we had a spike a little while back, as you can see from this previous 2 swing high, and now a little bit of consolidation going on there within these 2 bars there, swings. And let's see where this goes. No obvious direction for us at the moment on the gold, but it's something we'll keep an eye on to see if there is a opportunity that applies to us with our strategies. Bitcoin having a little bit of a resurgence back to the upside again. It has a little bit of consolidation in the past few months, but now we can sort of move to the upside. It's got to the point, and now it seems to have used up its open equity. So now opportunities for Bitcoin on the downside from there onwards. So that's the market watch for us on the instruments that we are trading and some of the trades that we have taken. Let's have a look at what we've done this week. So the market update, as you can see, for the 1st of April on the Elite Room, primary runners, we had nothing on there for us this week. On the cash in 4.020% OE, we had a minus 0.98 loss on that one, and on the cash in 100 pips we had a minus 3.11% loss on that. So it's a total of minus 4.01 on the Elite Room. However, on the live trading room, you can see that the liftoff gave us a 0.53% to the upside, and the cash in gave us a 1.72 to the upside. And on on the 1-day exit strategy, the cash in 4.0 80% OE strategy, as also known as, we've got a 2% to the upside on there. So that brings us to a total of 4.27 to the upside on the live trading room. And then therefore the total across both trading rooms, the elite room at a minus 4.01 and the live trading room at a 4.25 to the upside, gives us a total of 0.24% for us on the journals and the trades that we've taken this week, or closed out this week, should I say. And that's it. That concludes our market watch for this week. Look forward to hearing from you guys again during the week. If you have any questions regarding your trading, then get in touch with your trader coach and have your sessions booked with them. So until the next time, stay disciplined, follow the plan, and keep trading like a master.
If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.